In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a member or accountant to Xero. This is a very handy skill to master, especially if you're scaling your business and need to loop in more hands to manage financial aspects effectively. So let's dive right in and make sure you feel comfortable with every step of the process. First, navigate to your Xero dashboard. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and logging into your Xero account. Once you're at the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout, as this is where most of your financial data and tools are centralized. Now, in the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a small arrow pointing downwards. Go ahead and click on that. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll see a variety of options. The one we're interested in today is Settings, so go ahead and select that. Once you're in the settings, the next thing to do is find and click on Users. Now this is where you'll manage who has access to your Xero account. This section provides a comprehensive view of all current users, and it's where you can adjust permissions or invite new members. To proceed, click on Invite a User. This function allows you to bring someone new into your Xero environment. A new form will pop up, and this is where you'll enter the details of the person you want to invite. Start by typing in the first name of the person. Next, you'll move on to the last name. Make sure the spellings are correct to avoid any confusion later on. Now, probably the most critical part of this form is the email address. This is the address where the invite will be sent, so take your time to ensure you enter the exact email you want the invitation to go to. Double check for any typos, as even a small mistake here can mean the difference between a successful invite and a missed opportunity. Next, you'll have the option to select permissions. Xero gives you the flexibility to tailor access levels based on what you want the new user to do. Take a moment to think about what specific roles or tasks this person will handle and select the appropriate permission settings. Once you have reviewed everything and you're satisfied with the details entered, you'll find the Send Invite button at the bottom of the page. When you click this, the invitation is sent and you're done on your end. The invitee will receive an email with a link to accept your invitation and join your Xero account. Thanks for sticking around. By now you should be more comfortable with adding members or accountants to Xero. Remember, managing who has access and what they can do is crucial for maintaining the integrity and security of your financial data.